Today in history. 23rd May 2008, clear and sunny, Malaysia. Dear Diary, today I got to witness a really important event between Malaysia and Singapore. It's called the International Court of Justice (ICJ) decision on Middle Rocks and Pedra Branca. These are the rocky places that both countries said were theirs, and they had been arguing about it for 29 years. The reason this happened is because both Malaysia and Singapore wanted to own these places. They are very small, but they are in a special spot in the water, and that makes it important for both countries. They went to the ICJ because they wanted the court to decide who should really have them. I think it's good they did that, otherwise they might have kept arguing forever. Today, at the ICJ, they had people from Malaysia and Singapore who explained why they thought they should own these rocks. They talked about history and how they had taken care of them before. It was a bit hard to understand all the legal talk, but I know a lot of important people were there, including judges. My neighbor's dad was a lawyer and he worked on this case. It was fascinating to hear him talk about the arguments and how much work they put into it. He said there were lots of papers to read and meetings to go to. I felt proud knowing someone I knew was part of such a big event. The decision finally came out today. The ICJ said that Middle Rocks belong to Malaysia and Pedra Branca belong to Singapore. I think both countries were happy that the dispute was finally over. It's good that the ICJ made a fair decision based on the evidence and history. I think this event will be very important in the future because it shows how countries can solve disagreements without fighting or being mean to each other. The ICJ helped them find a fair solution. I hope this inspires other countries to use peaceful ways to solve their problems too. I'm so glad I got to be there and see history being made. It's a day I will always remember.